Happy holidays, everybody. This video is a real quick video on how to decorate a chandelier for Christmas. So what I want to do, I want to just decorate the bottom of this chandelier, and I want the greenery to kind of drape off. So it's real important when you pick your picks to kind of find one that kind of already droops. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set it on there, and using floral wire, I'm going to wire it to the chandelier and go all the way around. One thing real quick, when you choose your floral wire, like my favorite's 18 if I'm using florals, but for this you want the thinnest floral wire you can find so that it camouflages onto the chandelier when you're wiring everything on. Now I want to put a few little bows around this, and I really love, this is kind of like a taffeta ribbon with a little bit of wire in it. I like it because it's kind of going to droop down. I will put a link in the description because it took me a little bit to find this one, but all I'm going to do is make a bow. Alright, so I'm going to make one small loop and then another small loop, and then what I'm going to do is make a teeny loop in the middle that I'm going to put through that loop, flip it over, and twist really tight. And I'm not going to trim my tails until I put it up on the chandelier. Well, what I love about this ribbon is it comes with 27 yards, so I think I'm going to use a lot of it on my packages, and then that will coordinate with the chandelier. What an easy project. 4 stems, a little bit of floral wire, and some ribbon. Well, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to have more videos out later, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday.